Look like a model, feel like a dancer, and work out with a rock star? That's every woman's dream workout. Well, that's the story behind Rockin' Model, and that's what we have in store for you today. Hundreds of women from Ocean Avenue to Sunset Strip line up every week for their hour of entertainment workout. With a mix of yoga, ballet, and a dash of burlesque, this workout is hot. Hi, I'm Elle Rasco, and I'm coming to you from Solar Studios in Hollywood, California, and introducing you to the creator of Rockin' Model, Grace Lazenby. What's the story behind Rockin' Model?
Rockin' Model, like you said, is yoga, ballet with a dash of burlesque. And essentially, I'm going to give every woman exactly what they want, to look long, lean, and sexy in your body. Really, the difference between Rockin' Model and any other workout is that it has sort of a heart and a soul to it. It has an ambiance and an energy to the workout.
What is it? I mean, there's something about Rockin' Model that's so different. It's addictive.
It's very addictive.
It's me coming back and back every week.
Rockin' Model is very addictive. And I think that what creates such a difference is my music. And I focus on 3 musical artists that have created what I call the ambiance of the workout. And these 3 artists are Matt Goss, Carrie Brothers, and Greg Laswell.
Tell me about Matt Goss. Let's start with him.
All right. Well, Matt Goss, we've been friends for many years. He's the man that gives you chills. But Matt tends to do that to most women with his big blue eyes and his little subtle smile. That's his secret. I think the first time I heard his voice, especially in the song Take Me Home, which is one of my favorites of Matt's, the range of his voice and his lyrics just made me want to just take my legs straight to the ceiling. I mean, it was almost mind-blowing. What I love about Matt is that in each one of his songs, he sings from the heart, and he's got a real big heart. So he sings directly from the heart and really takes that and creates an intimacy in each one of his songs. And therefore, the listener really allows them to open up their mind and open up their heart. So you feel like he's singing directly towards you. And it really creates a connection with him and the listener, whether it's in a Rockin' Model class or his show in Vegas.
It's a great show.
Yeah, his song Firefly, which will be the opening song of the workout, it just literally give you a rush and open up your heart and make you want to move. And I think that as not only a dancer, but as a woman, you want that intimacy in a song. Matt Goss does that. And, you know, the Vegas headliner, Caesar's Palace, he gives you the chills in the scorching heat of Vegas.
He really does. And what about Carrie Brothers? Tell me a little bit about him.
Carrie Brothers, everyone loves Carrie Brothers. That's all I can say. But that's singular. He's only one guy, and he is one true, genuine artist. He is a hometown boy. We're both from Nashville. We're both out here in LA doing what we do best. I would describe Carrie as the man who creates picture with his words. That's what he's best known for, is his film and television placement with all of his music. Honestly, I mean, when you hear his song, the girls' eyes just sparkle and they kind of melt on their yoga mats. It's kind of like sorbet in the middle of a meal.
Ooh,
and
definitely.
he just like melts your heart. Every song, it's almost like watching a love story or a movie right in front of your eyes. And you just interpret it as you start moving. I created this move called the float. The float is Carrie's voice in movement.
The song Someday is my favorite. It makes me want to just get in the car, roll the windows down, and take a road trip. I love that song.
We'll be road tripping with Carrie Brothers.
Yeah, we'll be road tripping with Carrie Brothers. Tell me about Greg Laswell.
You've got to just love this guy. I mean, he is a true genius. There's just a sound. His sound is almost a signature sound of Rockin' Models.
It is.
What I loved one night was I was actually out to dinner with a Rockin' Model, and she said, I don't think that class would sound the same without Greg Laswell. How the Day Sounds has just been our signature song. What I love about Laswell's voice is that he has such a range of this big ambient sound to him that you can just flow and move freely, but yet he also has this real slow depth to his voice that you could almost just sit and meditate. And so together, Laswell's sound is just, he goes a little deeper in his lyrics and he tests the waters a little, which is a lot like yoga. And because yoga really, you test yourself. You go a little deeper and you kind of see what's there. Yeah. And that's why synergistically, Greg's music works so well with yoga. It's just, he's just got this amazing, beautiful sound about him.
My favorite Laswell song is Off I Go. It gives me power, strength.
Oh, that song
I love
is such a powerful song, and he wrote that for ABC's season finale, season 5 of Grey's Anatomy. So it's definitely got a lot of signature sound to it, and just, it's powerful. Every single day, I get the same question, who's that artist? Who's that artist? And I can always bet on, it's Greg Laswell. Each one of these 3 artists create an energy for me to actually interpret movement, to choreograph, to interpret yoga movement, to really create an experience for women. And each one of these artists in their own right and in their different ways lyrically creates music that I think women really attach to. So I take that music and I place it synergistically with movement, and it's kind of taken on an energy of itself in Rockin' Models.